Hello dear friend, Farid is here from Farid Watercolor. Today I would like to do unboxing for a nice gift from my best friend. It's not from the company itself and I'm not sponsored by Kremer. I just would love to unbox and do small review and small painting to see how beautiful it is because it's handmade and I like to share it. It's Kremer, Dr. Kremer Aquarelle Farben in Germany and watercolor in English. So it's made in Germany. And here, as you see, this is a box. And here we go. Like what you see here, it's a small tiny box and it's contain the middle box itself, and here is a color name, and that's it. Here all what we have, like the box, the middle box itself, and it's contain 14 color, and carton box, and so that's all what you find in this beautiful box. And here, as you see, the brush itself, which one I'm going to use it to demonstrate farbing or color itself. So, and here, my friend, I would like to start with the silver one. It looks like moon star or moon rock, they call it. So it's very glittery white. Hope that you see it. And the gold. I believe less water will be more working. And here more dark gold. It's very yellow. Wow, I love it. So beautiful. And here's the titanium yellow. It's so beautiful and cold yellow. And here's a bandit yellow. For me, it's so beautiful. It looks like deep cad yellow. I love it. Wow. And here I'm trying to, yeah, it looks like red for me. Wow. The red is so beautiful. It looks like red deep cadmium red, but it's so beautiful, so beautiful. And here's a crimson red. What a beautiful red here. Okay, let's try to list. Beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. And here it's white. White, I believe it's just creamy white, and here's a golden ochre. I love it. So beautiful. And this one, it's green blue. It's, for me, looks like undersea green. And here the bottle green. It looks very beautiful. Let's see how it's, wow, wow. I'm assuming that I find nice palette here. Let's see, this green with this yellow, it will be very, very beautiful. For my urban sketch, I believe it's very, very, very beautiful green. And here the turquoise. Wow, so beautiful, so beautiful. And here we have cobalt blue. It's very, very, very original color. Love it, love it. And here's the last color we have in this palette. They call it France Black. And here, as you see, the 14 color, I love it. And I'm assuming that I'm using it for my urban sketch or for outside painting. So beautiful. And like, you know, comparing with after dry and before dry, I'm assuming that you can see it, but it's so beautiful color. And until now, I would like to see, I'm finishing my unboxing and demonstrate the color itself. I will do part 2 for doing some beautiful art with it, and see you then. Thank you, and wish you very happy painting. Hello dear friend, I just passed the time just to save time for you and review my new watercolor palette. So I use direct ink. I'm using the platinum ink. It's carbon black and it's water resist. Just I use it normally for my fountain pen and my urban sketch. It's water proof, not water resist. You have to be very careful between these two kind of ink, because watercolor proof, it's really proof and it's never affected by water, and watercolor resist, it will be soluble, kind of soluble and kind of water resist. So this is my sketch for now, and I'm going to use my watercolor. It's like, 5-10 minutes sketch. Just want to save my time and your time. Yeah, and here my new watercolor. So as you see here, I'm going to use this brush for my first wash. So I'm going to use this dark green. It's so beautiful for urban sketch and for sketch in general. This is my first wash. I'm going to use dark green. Do some lifting here. I believe it's I believe, my friend, it's enough for a small sketch. I wish you very happy painting